Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be AK, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hello, this is Akanksha, and it would mean so much to me if you'll take a second and click on that red subscribe button right underneath this video so that you don't miss any future videos from my side. Today we're gonna talk about some amazing things available on Amazon.in, and of course we have some makeup, skincare and fashion, but we also have some gadgets, some home decor and some cute stationery as well. So if you are into stuff like that, just keep on watching. The very first product that I have is the selfie remote. This is a very simple yet very useful product. You can connect it to your phone via Bluetooth and use this to click your own pictures and even create your own videos. And if you're someone who often doesn't like the pictures that other people click of you, this is a definite must have. The next thing I have is a book, so you get a reading recommendation as well. And if I were to go on a deserted island and pick 3 books, this would definitely be one of them. And the book that I'm talking about is called as Tuesdays with Morrie by Mitch Albom. This is such a beautiful story, and it's not a self-help book, but I guarantee you will be taking along so many life lessons from it. It teaches you things without being preachy, and things are just conveyed in such a simple way, which is almost unexplainable but so amazing and so beautiful. I've been recommending this one and gifting this one to everybody around me, left, right and center, and in my opinion this is the one book that everybody should read at least once in their lifetime. The next thing that I have is this very fun looking poppy pink eyeliner from the brand Cuffs and Lashes. I wanted to experiment with my eyeliner and go all out for once. That's why I picked this neon pink color in the shade called as Jaipur City Dreams. The quality is good. I would say if you apply a single swipe it can get patchy, but apply 2 coats of it and you'll be good to go. Also, it's a one of a kind product in the market. You don't get affordable good quality colored liners, and that too in such a versatile shade range, so that's another yay. The next thing that I have is this vintage alarm clock, and wait, I didn't just pick it for the rustic look, but it is super loud as well, and I have trouble waking up in the morning since forever, and it surely helps with that. I'm actually gonna show you how loud it is, so get ready to be startled in 1, 2, 3. This is again a super useful product if you are a heavy sleeper and you have trouble getting up in the morning, or you're just like me and you want to get your sleep schedule back on track, which has been happening since forever now. So yeah, get this would be step 1. The next product that I have is this eyebrow trimmer from the brand Flawless, and honestly this product has been such a savior because I don't have to go to the salon as often just to get my brows done. It helps to groom your brows at home and it's absolutely painless, which is amazing. It comes with a charging cable so you don't have the hassle of the batteries. Again, a super duper useful product and helps you with any last minute eyebrow touch-ups before you go out as well. The next thing that I have is this paddle brush from Miniso, and it has this mirror finish which makes it look a little bougie, I feel. Nothing much to describe here, I just needed a paddle brush and this looked like a decent one. Good quality and decently priced as well. So yeah, the next product that I have is this nail paint from Miniso, and it's in the shade 06 Peachy Peach. I'm a big time sucker of pastel nail paints and I love this one. It looks really pretty when worn and it's just 90 bucks. The next product is from Miniso as well, which reminds me this video could have easily been a Miniso haul. But anyway, I have this set of makeup sponges from them. Now these are one-time use sponges and I only use them because I have highly acne prone skin and my acne acts up even when I use the same beauty blender twice or thrice. So I don't suggest to pick these up if you're happy with your regular blenders, but if your acne is acting up, switch to disposable blenders for a while and you'll definitely see a change. These ones come in a wedge shape and 2 colors, that is white and skin. And coming to the quality, they don't soak up a lot of product and help you apply your base makeup evenly, so that's that. The next thing that I have is this Muru Muru Butter shampoo bar from Earth Rhythm. It's specially formulated for curly and wavy hair. I have a Muru Muru Butter conditioner as well from Requil, I guess, and this ingredient performs really amazingly for people with frizzy hair. I have actually noticed a difference in my hair softness after I use this product. This is a sulfate-free formula which makes it perfect for curly haired people, so if you're looking for a good CG friendly shampoo, do give this one a shot. It lathers well, it's gentle on the scalp and it doesn't dry out your hair as well. But if you have a very oily scalp, you might need to wash your hair a bit more frequently with this one. But overall, such a great product for frizzy, curly or wavy hair. I really love it. Next up, I have this eye pencil from the brand LA Girl in the shade Champagne. It's a very beautiful shimmery nude or shimmery beige, I would say. This is the perfect color to wear on your inner corners of the eye or even on the lash line to make your eyes look a little bigger or make your eyes pop. It levels up any eye look, I would say, and in fact I'm wearing this right now in my inner corners. This one comes in a pencil packaging and I personally prefer the roll-on one, but this exact champagne shade was not available anywhere in the affordable category, so I had to get this one. Next up, I have these really pretty strapped sandals from a brand called as Eden and Evie, and this brand is from Amazon itself. Let me keep them down. I can't tolerate them closer to my face any longer. They have a block heel that's not too huge, so they're really comfortable to wear. They are good quality and they easily dress up any outfit you own. Next up, I have a piece of jewelry from the brand called as Carrot Card, and these are really beautiful crystal drop earrings. See, they look so dainty and so pretty, and they are such good quality. Next up, I have this set of 12 colored pens from Amazon Basics. These are basically your felt tip liners, which are not as thick as your sketch pens but not as thin as your gel pens either. I use them for my journaling and also while reading to highlight certain parts of the book. They make the process of journaling or reading more colorful, I feel, and whenever I open my journal, instead of the bland black and blue, it's all colorful. And another thing, they have a lot of pastel shades in these as well, so if you are a big time stationery lover like me, go ahead and get them. The next thing that I have is this Nivea Deo Milk, and it's in their variant Sensitive. It's an antiperspirant and I just got it because I ran out of my old one. So far so good. It's gentle on my skin, doesn't irritate it, and keeps me fresh. Next up, I have these fairy lights in the background from the brand called as Zergy. I have another pair of fairy lights, but they're not very durable and are flimsy as well. So I got these because A, they are really good quality and insulated. B, they come with very long USB wire, which makes them really easy to use. Next up, I have this makeup brush egg. This one makes the process of cleaning your makeup brushes a little easier than the usual method of soaking, which can get a little messy at times. You just take a little bit of soap or baby shampoo on this, just swirl your brush up and down on this and then run your brush under tap water. This makes the entire process quicker and even cleanses the brushes better, I feel. And that's about it for the video, you guys. Please drop a heart comment if you want me to create more Amazon related videos. Please subscribe to my channel as well if you're liking the content. It would honestly make my day. This is me AK signing off.